How are you all? Good? Okay, wow. Look here what we have today. We have G, H, and I. Wow. G for giraffe, H for house, and I for ice cream. Hooray! We have these three letters. Now let's color them. Before that, we will learn some colors. Red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, and green color. Okay, now let's paint our letters. Hooray! Now I'll paint letter G with red color. Red color G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Hooray! Red color G. G for giraffe. First of all, we will color our letters, then we will color our words that belongs to these letters. Then let us color G. Red color. Wow! Looking nice, isn't it? Really, very, very nice. Okay, so red color G. Now next letter is H. We will color H with blue color. Yay! H. H for house. H for house. Hooray! H. Think of the more letters and more words that start with letter H. H for hen. H for home. And H for horse. H for hippo. There are many words that start with letter H. Hooray! We are coloring letter H with blue. Wow, looking very, very nice. I love drawing and painting. Do you love it? I love writing letters with paints. Do you love it? If you love it, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and fun. Wow, letter H. H for house. Now next one is I. Let's color I with green color. I, wow. I for ice cream. Now let's think of some more words that start with letter I. Igloo, very nice. Igloo, ice cream, iguana. Iguana, yes. Iguana also starts with letter I. I for ice cream, I for iguana, I for igloo, I for ink, I for ink pen, and I for eyes, yes, eyes, very nice. I for eyes. So here we go, guys, our letter I is finished. Yay, we have colored letter I, hooray. Now it's time to color the pictures, hooray. Hooray, that's giraffe. We will color giraffe yellow color. But before doing that, we will color these circles with brown color. Have you ever seen giraffe? Yes, you can see these brown spots over its body. Yes, hooray! Wow, it's looking nice, isn't it? Now I will color giraffe with yellow color. Hooray! Do you like it, kids? And hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like such drawings and fun. Hooray! It's lovely, isn't it? Now color its feet black. Hooray! Wow, isn't it looking amazing? Yeah, it's looking amazing. So G for giraffe, hooray! H for house. H for house. H for house, wow. H for house. Wow, I love my house. Do you love it? Hooray! Looking very nice. The door of my house will be red. Yippee! Lovely color. And I'll color my house brown color. Hooray! Lovely, isn't it? Yay! Lovely house. Nice. Now H for house. Wow, now next is ice cream. Now I'll color my ice cream in rainbow colors. Hooray! Orange color. Red color. Yellow color. Green color. Lovely ice cream. Do you like ice cream? I like it very much. I for ice cream. Now blue color. Isn't it looking nice, kids? Yeah, kindly hit the like button then. Now pink color. It's my rainbow ice cream. Hooray! Now I'll do light green. My rainbow color ice cream. Hooray! And stick of it will be brown. Wow! I hope you have enjoyed the video with me, coloring ice cream. And hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next interesting video. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.